Vasectomy is a surgical procedure widely recognized as a definitive solution for male sterility. Many individuals opt for this surgery for personal, financial, or even familial planning preferences. The process involves interrupting the transport of sperm from the testicles to the semen, essentially rendering the person biologically incapable of fathering children. Over the years, vasectomy has been the subject of extensive discussion, but a persistent question remains: is it possible to reverse a vasectomy? To fully grasp vasectomy reversal, it's crucial to first understand the intricacies of this surgical procedure. It involves severing or obstructing the vas deferens, the tubes responsible for transporting sperm from the testicles to the urethra. This relatively straightforward and expedient procedure boasts a 99% success rate in achieving male infertility. However, the concept of reversing this process, often misunderstood or incompletely comprehended, is indeed feasible, albeit contingent upon certain considerations. Reversible vasectomy, also known as vasovasostomy, is a surgical procedure in which the vas deferens ducts are reconnected to allow sperm passage once more. However, the success rate of a reversal depends on several factors, including the time elapsed since the vasectomy, the method employed during the initial vasectomy, and, naturally, the patient's overall health and medical history. This implies that reversal is not always guaranteed, and many men experience frustration when the procedure fails to yield the anticipated results. It is crucial to emphasize that vasectomy reversal is a considerably more intricate surgical procedure than the vasectomy itself. While vasectomy is typically a straightforward procedure, often performed under local anesthesia with a relatively swift recovery period, reversal entails reconnecting ducts that have been severed, demanding greater skill and time from the surgeon. Moreover, after reversal, the duration required to ascertain the restoration of fertility can be extensive, and semen quality may not fully revert to pre-vasectomy levels. Therefore, it is paramount to have realistic expectations before opting for this procedure. For those contemplating this choice, the decision to undergo a vasectomy reversal should be approached with prudence. Beyond the technical considerations, continuous monitoring and examinations are imperative to assess sperm quality. If you are navigating this circumstance or know someone considering reversing a vasectomy, consulting a specialist is paramount. Through their guidance, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the advantages and disadvantages inherent in each scenario, as the choice to proceed with or forego a reversal can encompass multifaceted emotional and physical implications. Before we proceed, I'd love to hear your perspective. If you're contemplating or have undergone this procedure, please share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever considered a reversible vasectomy? I'm genuinely interested in your views, and I'll be happy to address any questions you may have with care and consideration. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, take a moment to do so now and ensure you don't miss any content that could revolutionize your understanding of men's health. When discussing vasectomy and its reversibility, numerous myths and misconceptions circulate, leaving many individuals with uncertainties and doubts. Therefore, it is crucial to clarify certain points and distinguish reality from fiction. Let us now address the most prevalent myths surrounding reversible vasectomy and unveil the truth behind them. Myth 1: vasectomy reversal always succeeds. This is one of the biggest misconceptions people have about reversible vasectomy. Although the reversal technique has evolved over the years, success is not guaranteed. The probability of success depends on a myriad of factors, including the time elapsed since the original vasectomy, the type of technique employed, the patient's overall health, and other biological factors. Many men anticipate regaining their pre-vasectomy fertility after reversal, but unfortunately, this is not always the case. The efficacy of the reversal procedure can diminish over time, proving more effective when performed in the initial years following vasectomy. Myth 2: vasectomy is painful and difficult to recover from. Vasectomy is a simple and quick surgical procedure performed under local anesthesia. While there may be some discomfort in the first few hours after the procedure, recovery is generally smooth. Most men return to their normal activities within a few days. Contrary to popular belief, it is not an invasive surgery and the risks of complications are low when performed by a qualified professional. However, reversal is a more complex procedure requiring a longer recovery time and a more meticulous approach. Myth 3. After a vasectomy, there's no chance of having children. While vasectomy is incredibly effective in preventing fertility, it doesn't mean fathering children in the future is impossible. As mentioned before, vasectomy reversal is possible, but its success is not guaranteed. Moreover, even if the reversal is successful, sperm quality might not return to ideal levels for natural conception. Therefore, while vasectomy can be a highly effective contraceptive method, reversal is an option, though not a certainty. Myth 4. Any doctor can perform a vasectomy reversal. The reversal of a vasectomy requires an experienced specialist, as the procedure is considerably more intricate than the original vasectomy. The success of the reversal hinges on the surgeon's skill, who must be adept at accurately reconnecting the vas deferens. Therefore, this is not a surgery that should be undertaken by just any physician. Selecting a qualified professional with a proven track record is paramount to the success of the reversal. Now that we've cleared up some myths, let's delve into the realities of vasectomy reversal. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these myths did you believe was true? Or do you have any questions about vasectomy reversal that weren't covered here? Share your thoughts in the comments, and I'd be delighted to engage with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exclusive content like this. It's time to shed light on the truths surrounding vasectomy reversal. While the idea of reversal may seem straightforward to some, the reality is that there are numerous factors to consider before making this decision. Let's delve into the key truths you should be aware of. Truth 1. Success in vasectomy reversal depends on time elapsed. As previously mentioned, time is a paramount factor dictating the success of a vasectomy reversal. Performing the reversal within 5 to 10 years following the original procedure significantly elevates the chances of success. However, beyond a decade, sperm quality may be irreversibly compromised, diminishing the efficacy of the reversal. Truth 2. The reversal technique is delicate and demands high specialization. Vasectomy reversal is not a straightforward procedure. It involves the reconnection of the vas deferens, which necessitates a highly skilled surgeon. The process can be more elaborate and requires meticulous technique to ensure successful and functional reconnection. Numerous factors, such as the type of incision made during the initial vasectomy and the time elapsed before reversal, directly influence the outcome of the surgery. Truth 3. Semen quality may not be restorable even with a successful reversal. There are no guarantees that semen quality will be restored. There may be a reduced number of sperm cells or even a partial blockage of the ducts. Additionally, fertility may not be fully restored, which could make natural conception difficult without the use of assisted reproductive technologies. Truth 4. Reversal vasectomy does not guarantee fertility. While reversal is possible, it does not guarantee that a man will regain fertility. Reversal is merely an attempt to restore the ability to conceive children naturally. However, as discussed, success hinges on numerous factors, including the man's age, the time elapsed since the vasectomy, and the surgical technique employed. Did you know these truths? Comment below and share what surprised you most about reversible vasectomy. And if you're considering reversing it, tell us your story. Let's discuss and keep this exchange of experiences going. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. We've reached the final segment of our video. Now that you have a clear understanding of vasectomy reversal, its myths, facts, and implications, it's time to ponder whether it's the optimal choice for you. Deciding on a vasectomy or, subsequently, exploring reversal is a deeply personal matter demanding meticulous consideration. I urge everyone contemplating this procedure to weigh not only the medical aspects, but also the profound emotional, familial, and financial ramifications it may entail. If you are considering reversing a vasectomy, it is crucial to seek guidance from specialized professionals. Consult your physician, undergo the requisite examinations, and bear in mind that the reversal process can be protracted, with outcomes that are inherently uncertain. And remember, the most crucial aspect is to make informed decisions, ensuring your health and well-being remain paramount. I trust this video has provided you with a clearer understanding of the procedure and empowered you to make the most suitable choice. It was a pleasure sharing this information with you. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications bell to stay updated on everything. And of course, if you have already undergone or are currently experiencing a vasectomy or reversal, please share your story in the comments. Let's exchange ideas and learn from each other. See you soon!